So where were we at, y'all? Oh yeah, okay, rewind. I'm back with another video. And you know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video. As you all have read by the title, today's video is long overdue. I feel like this is my first little high get ready with me of the year, aside from feeling a little bit of a angry monster right now. Luckily, I started this video off a little high. So today's video, I'm coming back with another high get ready with me. Hashtag story, another high get ready with me / story time, and I'm gonna be doing my hair, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I got a blunt rolled. I'm also gonna be eating some edibles that I got sent to me from via Hempco. Today's edibles are federally legal to be shipped worldwide. I'm lying. Federally legal to be shipped nationwide because they are hemp extracted edibles. These are from via Hempco. If y'all don't know, y'all need to know now. I'm gonna be taking some Elevate Delta 9 CBG gummies, and they have 20 milligrams of CBD, 10 milligrams of THC, and 25 milligrams of CBG. A lot of letters. And then I'm also gonna be taking Euphoria Delta 9 HHC CBD gummies. This one has 20 milligrams of full spectrum CBD per gummy. So
shut up!
Getting really high. Hope you guys are ready. It's actually really late right now and I'm not going anywhere, but you know,
for the content.
This flavor is blood orange tangy. Flavor is mango paradise. As you guys can see, I've ate a lot of mango paradise and I ate a lot of these. Y'all already know we gotta consume it off camera. Mango paradise don't really taste like mango. I'm not even about to take too many of these edibles, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, because usually I could overconsume a little bit. These I can't overconsume as much because they're really strong. So blood orange tangy was really good, but when I just take a couple of these, y'all, I be up. So 3 or 4 of these get me in my zone. Okay, while the edibles are hitting, I'm gonna curl my hair, wand my hair with this wand that I got from Payton. I'll link it in the comments below. Then I will come back and beat my face. It's me. Am I already high? Yeah, I am.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all.
Alright guys, so I'm almost done my hair, but I honestly don't really feel that high yet. I think I'm gonna take 2 more of these. I'm almost done.
Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed.
Okay, so you guys, getting into the nitty-gritty. My hair honestly didn't move much under my band. I'm just using mousse because I realized you have blonde hair. Gel is a little bit too harsh. But honestly, I'm about to do some quick makeup. Like, this is gonna be one of my quick everyday makeup routines because I just feel myself about to get high as shit. But before I really get into this, I need to tell you guys what's happening on my Instagram right now. You guys watched any of my lives recently. I've kind of been talking about it for like the past 2 days. 2 months ago in December, I got my Instagram deleted and I was reaching out to people that could get my page back. And so I reached out to 2 different individuals. Basically, one guy said 500, another guy said 700. The guy that said 700, basically I asked him first, and then the guy that was cheaper, I asked him second, but I didn't end up paying him. Like, I didn't think he was gonna start. So anyways, honestly, I'm already getting high. I can just feel it in my chest, in my soul, in my spirit. Oh my, am I high? Yes. So,
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
Alright, you guys, after a mini panic attack, because once again, it's just disabled my Instagram. So basically, I went through someone else, and oh my god, I'm over here doing my eyebrows. Like, I'm using eyeshadow and I'm forgetting, because this is a fresh dip brow pomade, and if you know, then you know a fresh dip brow pomade, it's just like smooth and supple like a baby's skin. And I have like a really bad scar on my eyebrow, because I had a bump and I put a pimple patch and then I put another pimple patch and then I put another pimple patch until it sucked all of it out. And it burned my skin low-key and left a little rash. And now I feel like I don't even really know what I'm doing with my eyebrows because I kind of feel like I'm doing them dumb. But I just don't want to be in my makeup all freaking night. So I'm gonna just keep moving forward anyway. But back to what I was originally saying. Basically, I went with somebody else instead of this Sally Harson guy. And so he gets mad and says, like, since I told him I wanted him to do it, he's the one that unlocked my account. Mind you, I did not pay him or anything like that. Like, I didn't even tell him to move forward. Like, I just stopped replying to him. And I was talking to the other guy, the other person that I went through like basically every day up until my account got restored. And then once I gave that guy a shout out, he got mad and he was like, you know, you lied to me, we had a disagreement. And that's when he started threatening to close my Instagram account. And that's when I was just like, what the f is wrong with you? Why would you do that? Why does he want to do that? It's so manipulative and malicious to even do this. Like, and the thing is, he's doing this after a while. He basically said, oh, Payton. Okay, he didn't say Payton. He said, oh,
if you give me a shout out on your YouTube channel
and a shout out on Instagram, then you don't have to pay me. So I said, okay, bet. I gave him a shout out on Instagram. I gave him a shout out on YouTube. You might have seen in the last hotbox. I gave him the shout out to you guys. I even gave him the communities tab shout out because the man does, oh my god, I'm freaking breaking out. The man does Instagram services, so he can really get the Instagram services you need, but he's freaking psychotic. Okay, so he stopped, right? And I feel like my eyebrows are also all over the place. My brain is running in circles right now, and this is why I did not want to even smoke the blunt before I got into my eyebrows, because I just know the edibles was gonna hit me like mid-sentence like it just did right now. So where were we at, y'all? Oh yeah, okay, rewind. Yeah, so I did the shout outs just like he asked, and then he started asking for some more. Like, he's asking for like specific, and then we're like, I'm like, okay. So I did the freaking shout out. It wasn't enough for him, so that's when he started threatening to close my account. Then this, I want to say, was like maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, he started getting my account closed. Like, he got it closed like twice, then he left me alone. And now it's like 2 or 3 weeks later, he's back. Or maybe it's somebody else, and maybe, I don't know. But no, I feel like it's him, because who the fuck else? No. And I feel like he admitted guilt because I hit him up and I said, why are you doing this to me? And he said a strange little message. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put what he sent me. Like, I'm over all of it, and I had to perfect my eyebrows. He just yelled at me and he said, I told you I did not close your account. I'm too high for this right now. And if it wasn't him, then it must be a murder mystery in this because who the is sitting up here playing with my Instagram? Maybe he really did it. Alright, y'all. I don't even fucking know anymore. But I'm gonna take these pin curls down. They don't get too crazy. I should have pinned this one, but it's okay. This one's set better, but it's okay. I look like George Washington right now. Hear ye say, hear ye. We're getting down to the nitty gritty. I'm gonna do some eyeliner. I'm getting really high. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who's doing it, but I still feel like it's him. Like, he's denying that it's him. I think it's him. Have I ever done winged eyeliner? I don't think so. It will go with my Mrs. Lord Farquaad look.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck. I would sneeze. Oof. That is very harsh. Oh my god. I just f***ed up so bad twice.
bruh.
I didn't even get to my face yet. Okay, I'm gonna do this one smaller. Okay. This is just, everything is just crazy right now. Why did I think I could do my eyeliner this faded? Oh my god. It's okay, you guys. I know y'all might be screaming on
Just
this
stop.
but I can fix it. Rather nicely. Okay, we did it. Not this on the other hand. Yeah, get it all out. Get it all out. Here too. Is this high or deep tutorial? Deep. I can work backwards from this. I actually didn't even know what to address in this video because it's just so much new things going on in my life that I've kind of been a little overwhelmed recently, but I'm making it through. A lot of moves soon, so move out series on the way. I'm excited to move on to this next venture and also to bring you guys with me. Lesson learned: do not sneeze while applying eyeliner.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god, it just fell to the side. Oh my god, I know my fucking face probably just look crazy right now. But we're about to get into the beat for real, like eyebrows, and I had to take my time, but now I want them to demonetize this video. It's not gonna be too obvious, but you already know what we ain't gonna want to do much. So I'm doing like a little quick makeup look. I don't really want to do a no makeup look, like a light beat. Yeah, I got this new Tatcha primer. I really actually like it. My nose ring. I'm using my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, oil free. Usually I just put this on my face. I really don't use this as often, but I like it because it matches my skin a little bit better than my foundation right now, because it's winter time, so I get really pale in the winter. There's a little light skinned shorty. Who's hoping to get this out? And I don't want to get this foundation in my hair. Ooh, but it looks like foundation on this viewfinder. And see, look. This is like my little routine when I don't really want to go all out. But it's still gonna come out looking really cute, like my rush routine. Because the concealer is what really conceals. And then I'm gonna just contour this little bit of my head. I'm not gonna contour everything because I'm gonna just go in with some bronzer. And I'm not gonna set, I'm just gonna quickly line. And don't be scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my lord. These edibles, they got me too high. At this point, I'm just doing shit because I never do this. And this is not even the right brush. Oh my god, guys. I feel like I fucked up my makeup so bad. Oh my. Okay. Let me wait. Before I start crying right now. I was trying to wait. I don't even know why I'm whispering, honestly. No clue.
But look at the look too.
Put some blush and some highlight. I'm probably not gonna put that much highlight though because do it beat. I need like a little fit. Y'all, I am so faded. Oh my god, I'm like.
Help me, nigga!
On that level. Are all guys that's younger than you annoying as shit? I don't know. Maybe I just get annoyed by everybody low-key. Hey y'all, I know y'all was waiting for the end of the video. It definitely took a fucking minute because I'm moving slow as a bitch. Okay, so yeah, this hair is looking really good. I think I'm gonna recurl this side. I'm using Lash Link in the style of Lauren. Yeah, so shout out to Via Hipco, y'all, because my chest has gotten beaten. My high ass done ran out of shit to say. Except that I love you guys so much. In California, we're doing things differently out here. We're doing things that no one else is doing. California, California. I always feel like I'm given this task. Shout out to the person that keeps getting my Instagram deleted. Your mom. I don't know if it's Sally Arslan or not. my mind has changed throughout this video. But you know what? Report that nigga anyway. For even doing that shit in the first place to make me think it was him again right now. Because he did it 2 weeks ago. What makes him think I'm not gonna think he's gonna do it again? Like... Alright guys, so I decided to do my lashes off camera. And now I'm back to do my lip. And this is just MAC Chestnut. MAC Viva Look Lamb 2, almost out. I usually don't use this color. I honestly don't even know the name of this color because this was a gift, but I do usually use my Dior in the color Raspberry. This is the lip maximizer. This is not raspberry, but usually I use raspberry. Thinking about a lip ridiculous blue. Ooh, you guys, I'm loving this hair so much and this look, and I made it. My eyes are like blush red. Oh my god, this is crazy. I really don't want to even put earrings on. Alright you guys, and also shout out to Via Hipco. Go ahead and click the link in the description box down below. Get you guys is someone. I'm actually gonna show you, like, do a little outfit change. I realized I was about to end it, but I had this robe on, and I also put some earrings on. I was gonna put on hoops, but I was high and I just felt like the studs were just a little simpler. I didn't change into nothing too crazy. Just put on a Skims. Okay, hair. Shout out to Avaya Hempco. Make sure you guys click the link in the description box below. And also shout out to Hermosa Hair because this wig is it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below if you enjoyed it. I think I already just said that. I'm faded as shit, and I hope you guys love me as much as I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.